Today I've got another set of H11 low beam headlights that PERPOTAO recently sent me to try out. This one is specifically model 26S, which is supposed to look very similar to halogen bulbs but much brighter. Let's open it up and see what we got. First up, they include a pair of gloves, and inside I found this 2-year warranty card. Even though we usually use our own gloves, I think the brand, including the gloves, are actually a nice touch, and these ones even have the little rubber dots to help you grip the headlights better when installing them. And the material is stretchy, so it should be one size fits all. Also included is this user manual. I like how the installation instructions are numbered and are accompanied with colored images. At a quick glance, the instructions look pretty easy to follow, and in the back, there's also some troubleshooting tips. And finally, here's the two H11s they sent me. They're L shaped with a right angle plastic base that should snap into the low beam housing. In a follow up video, we'll come back and show you how quick and easy it is to install these headlights, and we'll also show you what they look like on the car.